Hello to all speed and thrill enthusiasts. Today, we're going to explore 10 of the fastest and most incredible motorcycles in the world. Ducati Panigale V4 is one of the masterpieces of the sports motorcycle world. This Italian motorcycle features a 1103cc V4 engine that generates 214 horsepower, allowing it to easily reach a speed of 299 km/h. The beautiful Italian design and precise engineering of Ducati make it a popular choice for track and road lovers alike. If you're looking for a blend of speed and unique style, the Panigale V4 is definitely one of the best. In ninth place, we have one of Japan's most powerful machines, the Yamaha YZF-R1M. This motorcycle, equipped with a 998cc four-cylinder engine generating 200 horsepower, is designed to reach speeds of around 300 km/h. With advanced technology like traction control and launch control, it's perfect not only for the track, but also performs flawlessly on the road. This beast can give any professional rider a sense of power and confidence. Aprilia RSV4 1100 is one of the most powerful Italian motorcycles on the global market. With the 1100cc engine and 217 horsepower, it reaches a speed of up to 305 km/h. Aprilia has used innovative technology and unique design, making this bike a perfect choice for speed and racing enthusiasts. In seventh place, we have the beautiful Italian motorcycle MV Agusta F4 RC. This bike not only reaches speeds of 307 km/h, but also showcases its power on the track with 212 horsepower. The breathtaking, innovative design of the F4 RC captivates everyone who sees it. It's one of the most unique motorcycles in the world of speed and acceleration. Here we come to the Japanese giant Kawasaki Ninja ZX-10RR. This fast motorcycle, with a 998cc engine and around 204 horsepower, can reach a speed of 310 km/h. Kawasaki's advanced engineering and outstanding technical details make it one of the top choices for track enthusiasts. This motorcycle is truly built for racing. BMW S1000RR is an incredibly fast and precise motorcycle from the German brand BMW. With 205 horsepower and a maximum speed of 320 km/h, it is one of the fastest bikes in the world. Its intelligent design, along with advanced systems like stability control and traction control, makes it one of the safest yet fastest motorcycles in the world. Honda CBR 1000RRR Fireblade SP is another masterpiece from Japan. With a 1000cc engine and 214 horsepower, this motorcycle can reach speeds of 325 km/h. Honda has used advanced technologies in its design, making it ready for both the track and the road. Now we come to third place with the Ducati Superleggera V4. This special Ducati bike, with nearly 230 horsepower and a speed of around 330 km/h, is among the fastest in the world. The lightweight and aerodynamic design of the Superleggera V4 make it an exceptional choice for high speeds. In second place, we have the speed monster Kawasaki Ninja H2R. This extraordinary bike, reaching speeds of up to 400 km/h, is the most powerful production motorcycle by Kawasaki. Made for the track and definitely not for regular roads, Kawasaki has turned this bike into a global phenomenon with its supercharged 300 horsepower engine. Finally, we've reached the top. The fastest motorcycle in the world, the Dodge Tomahawk, with a speed of 560 km/h. This motorcycle, equipped with an 8.3-litre V10 engine from the Dodge Viper, boasts unparalleled power and unimaginable speed. It's more like a race car than a motorcycle, and due to its unique design and incredible speed, the Dodge Tomahawk is often recognized as a showcase of technology. I hope you enjoyed this list. What's your opinion on the world's fastest motorcycle? Which one of these bikes did you like the most? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to see more videos about the world of motorcycles. Until the next video, goodbye.